second request was Mother's Day card, so let's see it.
So guys, for the first step, I'm gonna take this sheet, red sheet, A4 sized, which I have folded into half. And now what you have to do is, we will take a sheet, white sheet, which is of the measure of this sheet, and we will stick it over here like this. So I've sticked it over, and now I have taken this pattern sheet from Eno Greeting. So now I have taken this Eno sheet, which I told you. This is from volume 4, and now what you have to do is, I have cut a strip of small paper and I'm gonna stick this here. I'm gonna apply some glue to this strip. This strip is for 20 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So I'm going to take this and glue this out here, and I measured a bit wrong, so some extra part is left. So now this full strip is of 20 centimeters, so you have to mark at 10 centimeters. Here I'll draw a line of 4.5 centimeters. Draw a line till 4.5 centimeters, then just cut it out like this. Then I'm gonna fold this part like this to make a collar. Fold this side also to make a collar. Like this. Now we will glue this leftover part on the sheet. In this direction. It got a bit tera, so I'll stick it like this. And now what you have to do is, I made these two flowers here like this, and I'm going to tell you how to make these. So first you have to take a sheet of 6.5 centimeters by 6.5 centimeters. Now you have to fold it into diagonally half like this. Now do it like this, and we are going to do my favorite snowflake fold like this. And here we are going to draw this part. I always cut where I don't draw, like this. And now just open it up. It will be like this. Now this part is not separated from here, so we'll have to separate it. Like this. And now what you have to do is, you have to cut one petal out. So I am cutting this petal out here. Just make a small cut, and we will stick this part over this part. So I'll apply some glue. Also, before applying the glue, you had to curl the petals like this. I forgot doing it, so after applying the glue only I'm doing it like this. And now I'll stick it over. So like this you've done, and again we'll do it. Now I've made this base and I'll ready the flower like this. Now we have to stick all the flowers here. Like this I'm sticking the flowers. One by one, just insert each of them. Now I will stick this ribbon here, and here we will write Happy Women's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I'm so sorry, I did a mistake. We have to write Happy Mother's. And it was looking a bit plain, so to make a pearl necklace, I have applied some pearls here, and here also apply some half cut pearls like this. So guys, like this I've written Happy Mother's Day and I've made this necklace. So now for the inside part, we will take this sheet, and now what we are gonna do is keep this aside, and now I cut these two hearts here like this. So you have to stick them here like this, the bigger one here and the smaller one also here like this. So now we'll stick. So after sticking the heart, I've drawn this mother and daughter swan, and now we will just trace them. So making these mother swans is very easy. And you can see how I've drawn, so some extra part I will rub. Like this, I've drawn the hand and leg of the mother-daughter. Like this. And like this. Erase the extra part, and this looks very pretty. Now what we will do is, we will take this green strip of paper which we have to stick here, and we will make some fringes on this. So like this you have to make the fringes. Make low fringes, otherwise the paper will get torn like mine happened. And now we just need this much, so I'll cut it from here. And this also got cut, so we are just gonna stick it like this. After doing the fringe, just do it like this and stick it like this. Now I've taken this rectangle sheet, and we will remove a triangle from here to make a ribbon. Like this. I'll make a ribbon and stick it here and write I love you mom. I'll write you are the best. And now we are going to stick this over our card. And you are like this, I've sticked it and it looks very pretty. So this way a beautiful greeting card is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how was the tutorial and the video. Until then, stay tuned for my new video. Bye guys, I'll meet you in my next video.